The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on slide management of Oktopus. In this tutorial, we will guide you on effectively managing your slides on your intelligent touchboard using Oktopus. To access slide management, you can find it at the bottom center of the sidebar. At the top of the sidebar, you will see the title and preview thumbnails of the current lesson. If you wish to change the title of the lesson, simply select the current title and edit it according to your preference. To display a slide on your intelligent touchboard, click on the corresponding thumbnail. If you want to rearrange your slides, you can easily drag a thumbnail to the desired position. When a slide is selected for moving, it will be highlighted. An indicator will appear to show where the slide will be inserted when released. You will find additional tools for managing slides at the bottom of the slide management area. Add new slide, select all slides, and delete selected slides. To navigate through your slides, use the previous and next buttons located at the bottom of the sidebar. Once you reach the last slide, the button will change to an Add Slide icon, allowing you to add a new slide. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.